What's going on, G Squad? It's your boy D, man, and we back with another one. You already know what time it is, man. Look, so today, man, I got a pack, and I'm going to be doing an unboxing on this pack. Something that I've been kind of like anticipating on doing for the SS for a minute now, and today is that day. So we're gonna get this thing unraveled, unboxed, whatever you want to call it. Show y'all what I got. It is a sponsored product, but you know your boy D, I ain't gonna be biased. You know what I mean? We're gonna find out what the truth is behind it. You already know. And so here's that box. Big pack. Woo! And it's hot in the mug out here, man. You know what I mean? First of all, what my little thing got? I got the... It's hot, y'all. It's hot in the mud. I gotta go and get my Reverend on. It's hot, Lord Jesus. But yo, man, so we definitely gonna go ahead and get this thing opened up, man. Like I said, it's definitely something that I've been wanting to do for the SS. It might expose some things with the SS, you know what I mean? Some of them things that, you know, most old school car owner type situations they usually have with these things. So without further ado, man, we're gonna go ahead and just go and get this thing out the way, because I ain't gonna be out here all day trying to get this going. You already know what you gotta do for your boy, though. Before we get started, you gotta like, comment, subscribe to the channel. Definitely smash that notification bell, man. That way you can stay alert to all the new drops. You did. So whoo, it's hot. So this is what we got. Ancel diagnostic leak detector. That's what we're gonna be working with today, man. That's what we're gonna be working on. So I'm gonna get this bad boy out the box, man, see what they got going on. So one of the things I want to use this for on the SS, man, as you can see, fast smoke generation, big smoke volume. I want all the smoke. You know what I mean? So what I'm gonna end up doing is I'm gonna end up using this leak detector to see if we got any exhaust leaks on the whip. Yeah, so this might expose some things, man. You know what I mean? If Gbody Whyte got exhaust leaks or what have you, there's a lot of things I want to do to Gbody Whyte anyways, kind of upgrade the exhaust system. But in the meantime, let's see if there is any issues with the exhaust system on this thing. So all right, so these are like some fitting tubes. We got a little funnel or whatnot right there. This is exactly what I'm probably gonna end up using to test the exhaust out. So I can see it got the hose connected right here. So what we're probably gonna end up doing is taking this half, putting it in the hose, in the exhaust, and then we're gonna pump this thing up. So basically this first box come with most of the things necessary to run your exhaust test or to run your leak test. Wow, this is like a blood pressure cuff. Oh, it is. It look like in a way. Ooh, who got it? Sir, you got high blood pressure. Oh, okay, you gotta mash it to release the valve. All right. Yeah. Ooh, mash it, release the valve. Ooh, who got high blood pressure? All right. Power supply. And then this is like a little hanger. So this is probably gonna go in the main box. Got our instructions with it. You know, you always got to have them instructions. I can't remember exactly which one they supplied me with, but I'm pretty sure it's gonna show me here. So let's see what's in this box. Here. Oh, this is the main boy. So I got the S1000. So this is the main box, the main tool. All right, look like there's a sight glass off to the side. So one of the things that they did tell me with this smoke detector is you have to utilize baby oil to as your, I guess, like your liquid base to provide the smoke that you need. So that's one thing I do not carry around in my house. I don't carry around baby oil. So I'm gonna have to go out and get me some baby oil. You know what I mean? Yeah, I said it like that, baby oil. So, but box look pretty sturdy. You know what I mean? This is, yeah, power supply there. And this is the smoke tester, so I'm probably gonna end up doing, yeah, hooking this thing up right here. And then, yeah, I mean, I'm just guessing right now, y'all. Yeah, I mean, I'm just guessing, so don't hold me to this, because I am gonna read them instructions. But 9 times out of 10, it goes something like that. You know what I mean? Something like that, just kind of connected to your extra accessories or what have you. It makes the most sense. So, but like I said, I'm gonna read the instructions, see what's up. But that's what we got. The Ancel diagnostic leak detector, man. The S1000. So we're gonna see how this performs. Hopefully it performs well. I'm a little nervous, to be honest with you, because, you know what I mean, I'll be exposing Gbody Whyte, and then y'all gonna be in the comments talking about, oh man, Gbody Whyte got hella exhaust leak. You know what I mean? But, you know what I mean, hey, anything for y'all. If we gotta, you know what I mean, test some things out, we definitely want to make sure Gbody Whyte running up to par, up proficiency. You know what I mean? Even if that means we gotta expose some things on the channel. You did? So we're gonna do just like, woo, woo. You did? So stay tuned, man. I'm gonna get this prepared. We're gonna hook it up and we're gonna run it. You did? Ooh, too much light. Ooh, that too much light. Oh, no, it might not be enough light. All right, man, we're gonna leave it jet like that, and we back. You already know, man. So, had an opportunity to read some of the instructions, and relatively simple, you did. So we're gonna go ahead and get this thing started. It is the next day. I ain't feel like going out there in them streets, man, go get none of that baby oil. You know what I mean? So, but now we got the baby oil. Hey, my wife, man, cheap as hell, man. Hey, I told her to go get some of that Johnson & Johnson. And she ain't go get none of that Johnson & Johnson, man. So she got this baby oil. It's called Comforts. Comforts. You know what I mean? I want the good stuff going through my engine. You know what I mean? I want some of that Johnson & Johnson through the engine, but she got some of this Comforts. You know what I mean? She should be ashamed of herself. How much is baby oil? You know what I mean? We don't buy baby oil on a regular, but how much is baby oil? How much was baby oil?
It was $1.50 more to do Johnson & Johnson.
$1.50 more to do Johnson & Johnson.
It just said
$1.50. But anywho, man, we're gonna go and get to it, man. All we gotta do is just pour a little bit of baby oil in here. I got my little funnel. You know what I mean? So we're gonna put that right here. There is a max and min on this thing, so we're gonna make sure it's poured up to the max. You can see where it say max there, minimum now. So we're gonna make sure it's poured up. So let's see this real quick. And so we're gonna pour some of this baby oil in this thing, man. It's going in, we see it. Doop, 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 doop. You know what I mean? That's how that sound we making when you pouring something. Doop, 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 doop. Alright. And that's good enough. Baby oil in, we're gonna go and take this back out. You know what I mean? We're gonna stick this to the side, put our top back on. You did. And so, yeah, you just kind of hook it there. But we really don't need this hanger on there, y'all, because we're gonna be doing this from the, actually, I don't know. But we're gonna be doing this from the rear of the car. So, so we ain't gonna use that right now. We do need power. So I'm gonna hook up this power. I'm gonna show y'all everything I hook up to, where I hook up to. This gonna go straight to the battery. Ain't too hard. So we're gonna put this thing right in here. Oh, right there. Easy. Easy. I sure wish my wife would grab the camera, but make things easier for your butt, but you know what I mean? She too busy recording with her own phone. I'm struggling too. You know what I'm saying? Appreciate it. Dang. You know what I mean? Yeah, bam, easy. So that's gonna go there. And we're gonna unravel this thing here. You did. Gonna get that loose, and we're gonna connect this to a battery. Actually, I might be able to connect it to the Malibu battery. It might be easier since we're gonna put this in the rear of the car and we're gonna pump it forward. So it look like it might be long enough too. Yep. Look like it might be long enough. You're doing too much now. You know what I mean? You're doing too much. Just stay focused, homie. Stay focused. You know what I'm saying? Why you can't find a good camera? Where a good cameraman when you need it? You know what I mean? Make sure you stay on me, homie. Keep me in the frame, okay? Cause I just got out the frame just then. Look, I'm out the frame.
No, you're not.
Oh, I ain't out the frame?
No.
Oh, I'm out the frame on this thing. You know what I mean? You know how we do around here, man. We keep it real. So we're gonna go ahead and connect this nozzle or this little twist connector on here. You know what I mean? Easy, easy, y'all. The connections are easy. So bam, that's that. And then we're gonna take this situation and we're gonna put this on one side of the whatchamacallit. So and we're gonna get that real quick. So on my car I got true duals, so it's separate. You know what I mean? So with this whole exhaust situation, it's gonna be like a trial run, y'all. So I may be able to get away with just plugging one side, running it, and it's actually I am. And it's gonna run straight through. Then we're gonna go for it like that. See what's on this side. I'm not sure if I'm gonna have to go back and do it again on the other side to see if there's an exhaust leak on the other side. But we're gonna see when we get to that point. But ooh, so we're gonna go and stick this into the tailpipe. So we're gonna see that in a little bit. So stay tuned. So we're gonna stick this inside the tailpipe here. I'm gonna put it right there for now, y'all. And then we're gonna pump this thing up using this situation on here. So it's on now. And then the other end of this hose, we're gonna connect to this. So we're just gonna slide that in here. And we should be able to run that smoke through this thing, man. I want all the smoke, you dig? All right, y'all, so we're gonna try this out, y'all. Trial and error, man, because it's on red right now, and the instructions on this thing don't really say what these two different buttons are. But we're gonna see. Oh no, that means something, y'all. That thing means something. All right, so on this thing, it looked like it's actually, I don't know, it might be colorblind. If this look green to y'all, it's actually red right now. So we'll go ahead and run it though, see what's up. All right, so user error, not the company, you did. So the battery on the Malibu was slap dead. So what we did was we went ahead off camera, went ahead and changed it over to the Monte Carlo battery. And sure enough, this thing is humming like a mug. You know what I mean? So it's obvious it's running. Then on top of that, to make things easier, I just went ahead and swapped exhaust. So went ahead and connected it to the driver exhaust. Passenger exhaust instead. So now we're just kind of waiting for it to pressurize. The instructions call for it to be running and pressurized for about 30 seconds. After that, we're gonna see if we get some smoke from this thing. And if we do, we're gonna plug it up. We're gonna let it sit and let it run through for about 2 minutes. And then we should be able to come out here and see, reveal if there's any exhaust leaks with the SS you did. So stay tuned. I'm gonna see if we got some smoke from this thing. It's been about 30 seconds, you think? Actually, don't stay tuned, you did. So let's see if we get some smoke. Yep, it's green. We're gonna wait to see if we get some smoke. Boom, smoke. Ooh, we got smoke. So I'm gonna go ahead and plug this up to this nozzle right there. Now we know it's obvious smoke through that thing. And we're gonna hit that button again. We're gonna let it run for 2 minutes, y'all. We're gonna see what's up. So I'm gonna have my old lady go ahead and hit that button real quick, Anastasia.
This one?
Yeah, hit that button real quick. Yep, boom. And it's on and popping, y'all. So we finna expose the Monte Carlo, man. Exhaust leak, no exhaust leak, you did. This is my theory. So I got cutouts on this car. And the cutouts, I'm thinking they're not sealing all the way. So I think I'm losing back pressure on them cutouts. So that's the reason why I wanted to run it from the back on up. Then on top of that, with an exhaust leak, shoot, you could probably tell if you got holes in the exhaust, anything like that, which I shouldn't because the exhausts are relatively new. But oh, this gonna tell it all. So we're gonna be back after we start seeing some things. Give me about 2 minutes and we're gonna touch base as you did, so stay tuned. All right, so like I said, man, cutouts is definitely smoking. So I'm gonna let y'all see this real quick. Boom, smoke coming directly from the cutouts. And it looked like it's, well, of course I'm not gonna know until I check the other one. So, but yeah, smoke right there. So that's number one. That thing ain't, which I suspected. You see anything else up here?
No, you can just see it from down there.
So it's coming from the bottom still, but nothing from the headers. Nothing from the headers. Just mad smoke from that exhaust. Dang. That's a surprise. Or is it now? That by building motors. That's what that means, you did. Hey man, so overall, man, it's a pretty good tool, you did. This little product right here, man, is actually pretty good, and I like it, I enjoy it. So I'm gonna run it again on the other side. I'm gonna run it again on that other side, you dig, and see what's up. Then I'm gonna run it again from the front and then see what's up. Then I'm gonna run it again through them vacuum lines and see what's up, you dig. So yeah. And my homeboy already told me he want me to use it on his car just to make sure he ain't got no vacuum leaks. So we're gonna run it, we're gonna use it. We're gonna use it. A little bit of baby oil though. You need a little bit of baby oil. You know what I'm saying? That's all you gotta supply, you did. So appreciate y'all checking in, man. We're gonna go ahead and wrap this up. Once again, Ancel. They even got bigger models too. They got one, I would love to have one with the pressure gauge on the side. That would be kind of dope, just kind of see if, is that the 3000? So they got the 3000, you can go all the way up, get the pressurized. Then you can get one that you can kind of control how much smoke you want, you know what I mean? So I might even look into that, you did. So stay tuned, man, to the next vid. I appreciate y'all again, man, and holla at your boy.